on it first for the Avs. At the line, Taves, Makar to the inside, is blocked. Back to Taves, and he scores.
The pressure just overwhelming from the Avalanche. And Cale Makar, who has been throwing everything he could at Ingram tonight, finally breaks through.
And as you might imagine at ice level, the reaction of the two benches entirely opposite.
Here's a look at the goal. It's going to be a shot initially, and then a big block by Yossi. The puck goes out, and watch Makar. Little drag and shot traffic in front. O'Connor provides a high screen. And Cale Makar finally breaks through and wins it in overtime for the Avalanche. It is 11th shot in this game.
Over 20 shot attempts by one man alone. Jubilation for the Avs.